I'll give you the data and you give me a solution. That's how it all started off. We got a solution that was working quite fast and paid off very fast. My name's Erik Winge. I'm the head of Onshore Operations Center here in Neptune. The Operations Center is supporting the UR platform during daily operations, making sure that we are producing oil and gas safe and efficiently. We have created a proactive mindset offshore amongst all our technicians on board UR. And the safety awareness on board UR has been really improved. Everyone now see their role and the importance of following what the vis-a-vis LivePlan is actually visualizing. That's really important for us, that it's a safe place to work and everyone understands their part in the big puzzle by running operations with hydrocarbons offshore in the North Sea. First of all, our HSE goals by having no one injured offshore is reached. We've now been operating UR for over 14 months without any incidents. We've also been able to increase the tool time on our technicians. We are amongst the best platform on the North Sea. That's thanks to this solution and the proactiveness it actually provides our technicians and the platform management offshore. But also on UR, we are now performing execution for 3 new tie-ins, and that's close to 400,000 installation hours. We're constantly full house, all beds are utilized, and by having this visualized in the live application, it's easy for everyone to spot holes or opportunities for vendors, technicians, engineers to go offshore and visit UR to get more done. So it's more or less self-driven. Everyone on board UR has access to this solution, but also onshore. All our vendors are accessing this and everyone can tap in to get an overview, what's happening and see the integrity status, where are people working, where will they be working tomorrow, and what's going to happen my next trip when I get offshore in the next 4 weeks. Vis-a-vis has helped us breaking barriers of sharing information. We are able to constantly react to the changes going on offshore, to communicate and actually plan through this solution. React, reschedule and show the impact. That happens instant. So people are more self-driven. They're planning their own workday. Vis-a-vis has always been able to adapt to the situation we are in. They are able to adapt to the needs we see. If you have data, Vis-a-vis is the right company to actually bring you the big picture. What do these data look like when I merge them, put them together, map dependencies and give you actually an overview of what's happening and make those data come alive.